What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are scuba diving the river looking for everything and anything possible. There's all kinds of weird stuff laying around down here, including this old trolling motor. Looks like it fell off somebody's boat. This is the first find of the day, and it's an amazing one. This is actually a rifle magazine. Time for you guys to help me out. What do you think this is? I think it's an old water pump to a car or truck. Do you agree? Not one, but two fishing rods. I bet that fisherman was so mad when these fell off his boat. If I had to guess, I would say this is a base to an old flashlight. Do you guys agree with me? Would you describe this fish as a keeper? I do. How old do you think the refrigerator was that this door came off of? I looked it up on the internet. I'm thinking this is a late 40s to early 50s model refrigerator. This little thing is actually just a tiny little flashlight. I bet this barely worked when somebody had it. That's probably why they threw it out in the river. This turtle down at the bottom of the river scared me to death, but not near as much as the next river monster I came across. This is one of the biggest largemouth basses I've seen in the river. I'm guessing this is at least an 8 to 10 pounder. Do you think I'm right? Whoa! Let's go check out some of the other stuff that I found. Let's start with that metal box that I found. I got it to the house and I washed it all out really good, rinsed it off, got all the mud out. I still have no idea what this is. If I had to guess, I think it's some kind of phone that utility companies use. It has a mouthpiece and an earpiece in it. Kind of looks like a phone. It has 3 big bulbs in it. I honestly have no clue. I know somebody who's going to watch this video is going to have a clue, so make sure you tell me in the comments down below. I found this cute little tiny mason jar looking thingy. It says Golden Harvest along the side. I don't know if this is old or new, but it does look pretty cool, so I grabbed it and brought it home. Here's that base that I found that looks like it goes to a flashlight. I'm having second thoughts though, but it still could be. It's got a swivel on the top. It's got another little swivel in there. Something definitely screws on the top. There's no switches on it. It's filled with water. It says made in Macau. That's a first. So tell me what you guys think this is down in the comments. Also, it never gets old. I always find bullets in the river. This time, shotgun shells. Not spent. Found a whole handful of these babies, along with a rifle magazine. This looks like a 30-round clip. Looks like SKS bullets. I could be wrong. I'm just guessing from the previous videos. So obviously, I'm gonna need your guys' help in making me not sound quite as stupid. Here's that teeny tiny flashlight I was telling you about. It is very cheap. It's green, it's got an on-off switch. It's got like a normal regular bulb in it. Very cheap, probably costed $1, but cool find. And I found a teeny tiny candle. Always candles in the river. Candles and golf balls, guaranteed. So what'd you guys think? Another dive in the books, found lots of cool things. The big metal box was the find of the day. I really enjoy making these videos and I'm super glad you guys tuned in to watch. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, and make sure you hit a thumbs up so I know you at least liked this video. Until we meet again, my name is Jeremy and I'm out of here.